Hello everyone and welcome to my channel. We have the Wasabi Power Kit BB8-MAX aftermarket batteries for the GoPro Hero Max review today. We're going to do a small unboxing and let's get right into this box. It was really neatly packed once it came, packaging looked fine, no dings. We have a Wasabi Power sticker right here with some social media information on the back. Also comes with your USB 2.0 wire. It's a pretty small wire just used to charge. It's about a foot long. Next is the actual charging bay. It's a dual bay charging powered by USB 2.0 and 3.0. Last but not least, we have the two batteries individually boxed. We'll set the packaging box aside and get into these. I was worried when I initially purchased these because I seen a couple people talking about swelling on the batteries or, a little bit of packaging issues, but these batteries, they look great. There seems to be no swelling at all. They're the exact same size as the standard OEM GoPro batteries. I had no issues with visual inspection. First one, nice and clean. Second one, same thing. Everything came very nicely wrapped, cellophane, all protective sleeves were on. I had no issues with packaging. Wasabi really took their time to make sure all their products were individually packed and got to you safely. Here we're just going to take the charging bay and test fit the batteries. This is a small view of the angles on the charging bay itself. We got the two on the front. Like I said, we have two USB 2.0 and a 3.0 on top. I have not tried the 3.0 jack yet. Here we're putting the batteries in. They fit in nice and snug. There's a small audible click that you could feel once it's fully engaged. I'm going to take that included USB 2.0 cable. It's rather small, but it gets the job done. It's only about 1.5 feet in length, but works perfect for anything on the go. Everyone has one of these wires. If you don't have one of these wires, there's probably an issue with that. Here comes the Anchor battery pack, power bank. All reliable. Want to see if it could charge up our batteries, just for testing purposes. You could see plugging into the 2.0 USB side, we have power. The LED lights indicate red. They did not come fully charged, so before using them, charge them. They worked great. I left them connected to the charger and they were full charge in about 2 hours. Lights turn green when they're full charge. Seems like a really good option if you don't want to pay OEM prices for one battery. These batteries are two for the price of one OEM. They look great, they feel great, the quality's nice. Time to test them in the actual cameras and see how long they last. If you like the video, please thumbs up, subscribe, comment. Any comments, questions will be answered down below. Thank you and have a great day.